This is question number 6, and we are told factorize x squared minus 9x plus 18. How do you go about this? You go about it by, this is a we call it a quadratic expression. A quadratic expression where the x, which is unknown, the highest power, or we also call it index, is 2. That is referred to as a quadratic expression. How do we factorize this? We do this by saying, if you can be able to get two numbers such that when you add them, that is A and B, they should give you the coefficient of x, which is minus 9. And when you multiply them, A multiplied by B is equals to minus 18. How do you get these two numbers? Now you find that 18, we can get the factors of 18. This is 2, you get 9, you get 3, you get 3. You get 3, you get 1. Now the factors are 2 times 3 times 3. So you can see, if we take if we take 2 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 6. Multiply by 3. There you give us 18. So that gives us a clue. And therefore what we need to see here is that if we take minus 6 and minus 6, when you multiply a negative number and a negative number, you get a positive number. So you can see that if minus 6 multiplied by minus 3 will give us positive 18, and minus 3 plus minus 3 will give us minus 9. So these are the numbers that we need. So we can say A is equals to minus 6 and B is equals to minus 3. From there, we modify our expression and we say, we write it x squared. Instead of now writing minus 9, we say it is minus 6x minus 3x. You see, it is still remain the same because minus 6x minus 3x will still give us minus 9x. And then we say plus 18. Plus 18. Now we factor out what is common here. And what is common here? Those two terms. We can say it is x. To factor out is to put it outside the bracket. So we say will be left with x minus 6. Note that if you open the bracket, you still end up with x squared minus 6x. So we have not changed our expression. And then we look at what is common in these two. And we say we can factor out minus 3. Can factor out minus 3. We will be left with x minus 6. We have factored out minus 3 so that whatever remains inside the bracket on here is the same, so that now we can factor it out. It is common. We will factor it out like x minus 6 is common in both, and when you factor out that, you'll be left with x minus 3. X minus 3. So that those are the factors. So that is the process or the procedure of factorizing. If we have not understood, check in our in our app, mobile application, other exams and the topic that is I have taught on how to factorize quadratic expressions.